Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Fluffy, back with another video. For today's video, I'll be making chicken foot soup. You don't hear me, chicken foot soup, guys. This thing turned out amazing. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification, okay? If you're only returning back to my channel, you are awesome. Thank you for being a part of the fluffiness. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to all this amazingness. Welcome to the Fluffy Show. Alright guys, don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat. All of that will be in the description down below, okay? And like I always say, like, comment, share. You don't know it. Share everything. Share with your friend. Tell your friend them to share with their friends and so forth. Let's do a domino effect. Okay, let's get this channel up and popping. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so what you're gonna need, you need some chicken foot, of course. Here you go. Already cleaned it, already cut off the tips on the chicken, cut all the fingernails as they call it. I'm also gonna go in with the spine or the back, chicken back, whatever, of the chicken, and some of them intestine here. This is optional. You don't have to put this in if you don't want to. That's just some leftover that I have. So I'm gonna add it in. Nothing out of waste, nothing out of dash, right? Yes, and if you don't want to use a chicken foot or them soft over there, just use chicken. Just use chicken leg, chicken thighs, whatever part of chicken you have. You're gonna also need some soup mix. I'm using chicken flavor. You're gonna need potatoes and sweet potato. I don't know what y'all call this in America, but we call it sweet potato in Jamaica. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need carrots. You're gonna need some scallion, and to make my flour, you need some all-purpose flour. To make my flour, to make my dumpling. To make the dumpling, you're gonna need some all-purpose flour, some cornmeal, and what I do, since I don't want a tough dumpling, I just put a little bit of baking powder in there, just a little bit. You could along. I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings that I add in as well. If you have Scotch bonnet pepper, put that in there as well. Don't cut it, just put the whole thing in there. Anyways, let's get over here. Let's get this thing popped. Alright guys, so I just bring my water to a boil. I was gonna put the salt in earlier, but I want to show y'all how much salt I'm adding. Not too much, because you want to season up the water. You want to flavor up the pot. And you want some flavor on your chicken foot. So I'm going to just add this in here. Ooh, it's already rinsed and clean. And I'm going to add the chicken spine, the chicken back. I'm going to just add that in there as well. I'm going to save these for later because these don't take long to cook at all. So I'm going to let this chicken foot cook up. Wash my hand real quick. I'm going to let this chicken foot cook about 30 minutes or so because it's kind of tough. You want it to cook all the way through. You want it to be soft. Oh, let me mix this around real quick. Yes. I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to leave it just like so. I'm going to let it cook up. Meanwhile it's cooking up, I'm going to start cutting up my carrots and my potatoes. And I'm going to need my flour. Yeah, so chicken foot soup. This is, guys, this is a quick way. This is a quick and simple way to make it. I'm not doing all the extra fanciness. If y'all want to make chicken foot soup, but you don't have time or you don't want to do all that extra, this is gonna be the quick version, okay? This is gonna be the easy version. All right, so I'm gonna let this boil up. Because the chicken feet is mostly cartilage and just skin. There's no meat on it. So that's what we're basically cooking. So soup come back. All right, so I just rinsed my potatoes. So I'm gonna start cutting them up. Well, I'm gonna start peeling them first. If you have a peeler, use that. But I'm gonna just do it the old-fashioned way. Just peel them real good. You can use more potatoes if you want to, but 2 potatoes is good enough for me. And I need all that. Oh man. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're oldie, if you're new to my channel, you already know. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see so far. Make sure I'm in focus. Make sure y'all can see me. Peel this potato. Oh. I swear I haven't had mashed potato in so long. I'm gonna do that. I need to make me some mashed potatoes. Long time in the unknown. Unknown. Okay, I'm pushing that to the side. I know y'all want to see inside this, so I'm gonna cut this for whoever don't know. This thing is so tough. So make sure you have some manpower, okay? Gotta have a little elbow grease. Put some elbow grease in this, cause this thing tough and not tough. Why? A potato peeler, you need a knife for this. The potato peeler is not gonna work for this. This thing is too tough. Sir, I cleaned my bowl. I'm gonna just cut these up and put them in there. Come on. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish peel this. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see me struggle to peel this. So I'll be back when I finish. Suka, bye.
Alright, so let me just cut this bad boy up. Right. Yo, that thing's that tough enough? Okay, okay, no. Look on this. Stoking out a knife. Get out. No, sir. Me never seen nothing like this before. Mama. Let me see.
Alright guys, so this thing tough and tough. Missy, took me forever to cut this, or maybe because of my little small knife. Make sure it's a big sharp knife to cut this, because that thing is so tough. So I'm just put it in a bowl of water. Clean water. Yes guys, I cleaned that bowl. So I'm gonna just cut my potatoes. Just cut my potatoes. I'm gonna cut them big, just like that. There you go. There you go. Just like so. Just like so. And just like so. There you go. So I'm gonna just put these in here. Let them soak up. And I'm gonna just cut up my carrot. Something tough again for go cut up. Oh man, I might use 3 carrots. And I don't, yo, this is sorry ass video. I don't have no pumpkin. So I'm gonna try and get my color from my carrot and my cock soup, my chicken soup mix. Yeah, so soup come back. I bet you it's still gonna look good, still gonna taste good. Stay tuned till the end to see. Alright guys, so it's about 15 minutes in and you see all this fat and all this stuff on top of this. You can scoop this off and throw it away. Ooh, because it's gonna pile up. That's why I'm gonna cover my pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add in these tough things. I'm just add these in here. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna step away and let it just continue to boil, let that soften up. You don't want to put your potatoes in there right away, because you know potatoes, they take a long time, but not too long. You don't want them to be too soft. You don't want them to mash out in the soup, okay? You still want to see your potatoes. So I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna save them. I'm talking about these ones. I'm gonna save them for later. So soup come back. Alright guys, so woo! Yep, don't cover your pot. Oh man, hold up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my dough. Remember, I'm using all-purpose flour. I'm just add a little bit. I'm not really making a lot. Alright, okay, let me see. Yeah, that's good enough. That's about a cup. And I'm going with a little bit of cornmeal. And my baking powder. If y'all want to see the cornmeal, what I'm using, this is the one. And just a little bit of baking powder, because you don't want your dumpling to swell up too much. Just add a little bit in there. Yeah, that's good enough. And some salt. My salt over here. And just add a little bit of salt. There you go. Just combine this. Make sure y'all can see, okay? Just combine that, and I'm gonna go with some water. Just mix this around. Oh, yes. Just add a little bit of water at a time to knead the flour, because you don't want it to be too soft. Even if it is, just going with a little bit more flour, and it will bring it right back to life, okay? Just mix this around. Yo guys, this kitchen smells so good. It's been like, when's the last time I made some soup? Probably early this year, or probably last year. So I made me some soup. So I'm actually excited about this. Oh man, today is Friday. Oh, I gotta put this video up today. Alright, so this is it. That's the dough. You see that? Nice and soft. You don't want a tough dough. And remember, it's gonna swell up a little bit because of the baking powder. And I'm gonna do spinners with these. I'm not gonna make the actual regular dumpling. I'm gonna do spinners. So yeah, I'm gonna put that aside. Put it aside until I am ready for it, okay? Till I'm ready for it. So what I'm gonna do next, first I'm gonna wash my hand. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna add my carrots, my potatoes, and I'm gonna add my chicken mix. I'm gonna add the chicken mix in there and the rest of my intestines. The inside of the chicken. Okay. And I'm gonna put some more seasoning to my pot. So soup come by, guys. So I'm gonna add in the gizzards and all that straight in here. Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Chicken foot soup at its finest. So delicious. So I'm gonna go with my chicken stock. And I'm gonna take some of this water out. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take some out. But anyways, you know, I had this chicken stock for so long. Oh man, I should have showed y'all the inside. But I'm gonna add some of this hot water. Make sure I get everything out. Ooh, smells so good. Smells so good. So I'm gonna go on with my carrots. So I'm gonna go with my carrots. I'm gonna save my scallion for later. If you don't have any scallion, just use a little piece of onion. If you don't have any scallion, just use a little piece of onion, okay? So now I'm gonna go with my potatoes. I think that's good enough. I got 2 left over. I'm not gonna force it up in here. Oh, yo, that patty up full, you know? Full to the brim. So what I might end up doing is taking out some of the water so I can put my dumpling in later on. But for right now, that's how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go in with my Everglades seasoning. Just season this up a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with my Maggi. If y'all don't remember, Maggi is a little bit salty. So I'm gonna just add a little bit just for now. Cause remember I added salt earlier. So later on, before it's finished, I'm gonna do a taste test. Make sure it has enough for seasoning. And I'm gonna go with black pepper. Since I don't have no Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm gonna go with some black pepper. Just a little bit. Oh. Let me just mix this around town. Just mix it up. Yo, this smells good, innit? Smells so good up in this kitchen. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yes, so good. You see the colors already coming in? That's from the chicken stock, the chicken mix, chicken soup mix. That's where that flavor came from, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna let this cook up for about 20 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna put my flour in halfway through. Just a little bit of flour I got, okay? Not too much. So yeah, so come back. Alright guys, so now I'm about to add my spinners. I cut my temp down to medium. So I'm gonna just roll these up. If y'all been watching my videos, y'all already know how to make these spinners, okay? So you just get a little piece of dough. You're just gonna roll it in the palm of your hands and then drop it in the water. Or not a soup mixer. So just roll it. Put it in there. Get a little piece. Roll it up. And put them in there. If you want it smaller, you can make them smaller if you want. You know, I should do them smaller since they're gonna swell up. So I'm gonna do these bad boys, finish up these, and I'm gonna just let them finish cooking. And I'm gonna add my scallion after I finish rolling these out. Let's put this in there. Guys, these they're gonna swell up to the top. I'm telling y'all from now. I'm giving y'all a heads up right now. And they're gonna swell up to the top. There you go. And I did add a little bit more of my seasoning in here. My Maggi. Because it needs a little bit more seasoning in there. So make sure you taste it as you go. Season it to your liking. So what I basically did, I just mashed up my scallion a little bit. Make sure you cut off the tip. Make sure you cut off the ends right here. And clean it up. So I'm gonna just add that in here. Just mix this around. Oh, yes. Looks good. Alright, so when this dumpling finished cooking, that's pretty much the end. The soup done. After the dumpling finished cooking, then it done. So yeah, soup come back. Alright guys, so there you go. Pretty much finished. The whole thing took about an hour. Didn't take long at all. Oh, about an hour or so. Yo, see that? Look good, you know? Check. So I'm gonna just plate this up. I'm gonna give it a little taste test for y'all. Trust me, it's not gonna taste good. I already know. But there you go, there you go. Ooh, bubble, bubble, bubble. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna taste this for y'all. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a taste test just for y'all, okay? Just for y'all, cause you know I love y'all, okay? So here you go. The soup, red. Man, I want the soup spill. Let's give it a taste. Get some of the juice. Let me get me a carrot. Yo, even though this is minimal, it's still like, guys, I know how to cook with a little bit, okay? You don't have to have too much to achieve this. Let's try this spinach. So y'all can see that, yes. Ooh. Nice and soft. Try this Jamaican potato. So sweet. Let me know what y'all call this. What's the American name for this? I don't know. Here's the chicken foot. Woo. I'm cool this though. If you're still here watching this, you are awesome. Okay? If you're here to the end, you're awesome. And if you're here to the end, you didn't subscribe, please do so. Woo. Turn on your post notification. Cool this down. Let me get my hand. I'm gonna eat this. Alright guys, bye. Catch y'all on the next one. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Lego.